In this training video, I just want to show you where you have access to a ton of resources and forms from Rocket Lawyer directly in your REIPro account. So if you come on over here, go to your main menu and go to your business center. You're going to see here in your business center, there are some boxes that say Rocket Lawyer at the bottom. These are forms and resources for you directly from Rocket Lawyer, and there is just a ton here. Forms about real estate agreements, business law, intellectual property. As you scroll down, you'll see estate planning resources, employment resources. We definitely recommend that you go through this business center, go through these, check them out. And if you click on any one of them, it will take you directly over to Rocket Lawyer where you can download and use them. So hopefully these are great resources that you can use as you get your real estate investing business going, and they are all right here in the business center for you. So I hope this training video helped. We'll see you on the next one.